Next up in our Women in WordPress series, I have my good friend Meher Bala. Meher, how are you?
Hi, Michelle. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. I know it's nighttime where you are, so we'll keep it brief so you can get to sleep tonight. But for anybody who doesn't know you, will you tell us where you are and where you're located and what you do with WordPress?
Hey, everyone. My name is Meher Bala. I am from Mumbai, India. I am a CEO of KDC Tech as well as a codable expert, and my specialization is front-end development.
I love that. And you said Mumbai, which reminds me that WordCamp Asia next year will be in your hometown.
Yes, exciting, nervous, and ready to welcome the entire world to my country and my part of the my city.
I'm excited. Seriously hoping I will be able to come. I want to experience India firsthand. I love all the people that I know, including you, of course, from India. I love the taste, the flavors, the sights, and I want to see them in person next year. So I'm really looking forward to that.
And I'm hoping you can come. I'm praying that you can come. I can take you around. And to everyone, my heart warm wishes to everyone. Welcome to India. If you all have any questions, shoot me a message. I'll do my best to reply.
I love it. That's fantastic. And you have been on the organizing team for WordCamp Asia before.
Yes. 2 years.
Yeah.
Organizing team, 2 years. The first year as an attendee.
Yes. And this next year, which team are you on? Are you on the global team or are you on the local team?
I'm the one of the local leads.
Local leads. That's gonna be busy year for you for sure.
I hope not that busy as a program lead, but yes, more responsibilities.
Yes.
So I'm happy I have two other uh, co-leads with me,
Yes.
Aditya and Vachan. So happy to be local leads with them and get you all to Mumbai.
I love it. That's gonna be fantastic, I know. WordCamp Asia has been so well run the last 3 years that I can't imagine that you will do anything but even improve upon it. So I'm very much looking forward to see how it all comes together.
Yeah. Even I'm looking for it because being a local lead is one step forward. So yeah,
Yep.
it's things have started rolling. So
And you can
let's
sleep
hope
in
for the
your own
best.
bed. You get to sleep in your own bed. I love that.
Yes, I get to let my friends meet my family, my
Yes,
mom especially. So I'm excited for it.
it will be very good. So tell me why WordPress? Why are you all in on WordPress and it's your content management system of choice?
WordPress, why WordPress? Because WordPress has given me a lot. WordPress, WordPress was not my first CMS of choice, obviously, but from the time I started using WordPress, I started going deep into WordPress, the finer tunes, how you can make a portfolio site to an e-commerce site, and the flexibilities, the you can add your own code, you can do a lot of things to WordPress. So it's always been the my go-to CMS from the time I entered. And one of the biggest reason I think me choosing WordPress as a CMS is the community. Because I've met so many different people all around the world, and a lot of people I can say I've become like very close to them, very friends. Like I do meet them once a year because of WordCamp Asia. But the community has been very helpful. Even me, in my wildest dreams, I never thought I would lead WordCamp Mumbai as a lead organizer, or I don't think I ever imagined I will be in release leads. Like seeing your name in the welcome page when WordPress updates, it's not something you dream as a WordPress developer, or not even. think that, you can be a part of that.
Hmm.
So everyone has taught me ways and means to expand my skill set, to share my skill sets with everyone, and gain a lot of good friends and knowledge from a lot of people in the community.
Yes, I love it. I agree. The community is the best thing about WordPress, and the software is amazing, but the community is what keeps me coming back for sure. Absolutely.
That's true.
So for women who are either starting a career in tech and WordPress or thinking about it, what advice would you offer them?
Don't get hesitant to ask anyone.
Mm,
Yes, it took me a long time to get into my WordPress Mumbai community, but it got me into it because I had a problem. The internet couldn't give me an answer to it. Don't hesitate to reach out to people who you don't even know.
mhm.
They may have a solution for you, they may give you some direction, but they are good people. The community is friendly. Don't get scared. Come make friends. Share your skill set. A lot of people, a lot of women, including me, even early on, thought, "What do I know that other people don't know?"
Right.
And I hesitate talking in meetups or talking even in WordCamps. But when you share your knowledge, you share your aspect, your personality, your what you have learned. Maybe what you have learned is something different from the opposite person has learned. So anyone's knowledge is good to share, and it should be shared because at the end of the day, it's your personal choice and your personality also in that story. So come ahead, be a part of the WordPress community, even if it's just to attend meetup as, just to gain a friend. You may not gain any benefit from WordPress, but maybe you may gain a friend as a benefit.
True.
So come be a part of WordPress. Don't hesitate trying WordPress. Yes, WordPress is may not be, a lot of people will give you different aspects of WordPress, but come be a part of it and explore WordPress.
I love it. Perfect. Well, thank you so much for taking part of your day, or should I say your night, to come talk to us and share a little bit of your
Thank you for
story.
inviting me.
Of course, and your hopes for WordPress. I appreciate your time today. Thank you.
Thank you for inviting me. You can always find me on most of Twitter, X, WordPress, Slack, everywhere.
Perfect. We will tag you when we put this out for sure.